45. Nicely bounced from this line very nicely. RTY is above the line. That's good. Nasdaq just arrived to the line. A trigger point. The CTP signal here. 45, 15 points. That would have been great. It's gonna be interesting. Now, if Nasdaq breaks this, then we just might go up. Let's see what happened so far. That was the opening candle. Okay. Like the open, and then we have the first 15 minutes also. Almost at the line. That's the first 15 minutes. Range. It's going up, going up. Everything is going up. Nasdaq stopped at this line. Came up very nicely after the open. Came up to the line and went back. At the 700 level, we need to buy that. At least me. 700 level. If there was just buy from the line. Oh, that's say we came back. Should check out the news too. It's Friday, so no worry. Check out the news. Let's see what news we have. Friday, May the 9th. That's today. Oh, we had Canadian news, USD news, but before FOMC member. That's over at 4. FOMC member speaks, so in 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, something will happen. Nasdaq stopped at that line very nicely. Came back. $94.75. I'm just gonna put it to 95 and let's see. 97.25 was the low so far. Oh, and 5 points. Could have done. Oh, Russell just came below the line. That's nice. So YM is at VWAP. Completing everything. No agreement between. Okay, but let's see. Let's see if you can buy at 95. Low, 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 small bounce. I don't need more than small bounce from 95. That's 3 points. Yeah, that could be achieved. We came back to 96.50. That's interesting. Nasdaq is going back to the line. Russell also. But that means we're under it. So the 700. You could tell it too. Signal. We are going down. Nasdaq is going down. Now I'm going to place sell the limit on Nasdaq. And if I believe in short, then I should take this out. I mean, for a couple of points, just for a couple of points, 95. Let's see. Let's see what it does. 95.50. That was a low. 95.50. See if I can get just a small piece. No, I'm gonna get out very soon. Yeah, either a small loss. No loss, very small one, and then you can go short. See, we are down to 93. Let's see, let's take a look at the view. It's gonna be interesting. Should we start? Might hold this line. That would have been a great idea to hold it for a couple of points. Let's see if I'm FOMO trading or not. Just a little bit. See, the 700 area, yeah. Oh, and it held. So the first thought, it was great. I mean, still good. Russell is under the line. That's good. YM, not so good. The leader today. Let's see, 700 area. Should, and then we are going to target this line. Richard thought that from this line to go along. Uh-oh, now I'm in trouble. This line is going to be my last line, and after that I'm going to get out. And then call it a day. I mean, Nasdaq is coming close to the line. Let's see, I just missed something from the big picture. Let's see what it does. 700 area. The original thought is 95 area was hold. Go up. Might have been good. Okay. Oh, it's not nice. Not nice. Let's see what Nasdaq does. Oh, where is my big fit and stop? 6 points, 7 points, 9. Doesn't let me go. I don't like it, Ninja. Came so close. That was good for came down, it was here. Be my last. I'm not so satisfied with myself. Sorry, today is not my day. All the way. And I just don't want to be stopped out. I don't like that. Going up. Sorry, guys. I trade bad decisions. I will like to sell another one up here. I'm going to be stopped out. So I step back to break even. This line trigger point would hold would have been great.
How are you?
Not good, not good. Morning, I didn't do well. And this afternoon, I just came late and I just jumped in the trade. And my original thought was buying this VWAP and this trigger point, and then I
Yeah,
chickened out. And then after that, I went short for some reason. And I can't let it go. I just don't understand why. Why can't I just let it go?
it is okay. It happens to all of us.
Yeah, but it's not okay. I don't know.
Let's manage it.
But I'm such a big loss that
No, it's
but I
now
would like
to get some reverse down. Okay,
I would like to get this short too. For that, it might just go up.
for the next minute. Okay, supposedly to get down now.
Yeah, okay. Tell the market to go down. Yeah, that's good, good. And I don't need more than 5 points. I mean, I would get out at break even.
Uh,
Just for some reason, I
okay,
I just move my stop.
somehow, yeah, for NQ you can get out at break even.
I could have got out. I just missed it.
It's okay.
But if it breaks, then it's gonna come back to this level. But I could have gotten out with break even. I just missed it.
It is okay. Let's focus on ES because ES is having three contracts.
Yeah, it's too much. We came down to the seven. Yeah,
Yeah.
then I could have gotten out here today. Again, it's 3 points loss. It's much easier than with that. And I just hope. I don't know why I did that. Usually I take my stop and then I realized that I was wrong.
It's fine. Yeah, but if you can, it's okay. Just wait.
Good. Nasdaq is good.
Yes. Let's focus on
Good.
ES. It has three
Yes.
plus.
Yes, it's coming back. Good. I'm gonna get
Okay.
that. 700.
Third contract, that's downside. Okay. Move it up. Move the profit a little up to 97. Yes, exactly.
That's what you believe in. Okay, my stop. It hit my stop.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I mean, problem, but not so bad.
But yeah, with 2, 3 trades, we can recover it back. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah. With two good trade, we can do just. I mean, it's so interesting when I'm just keep. I'm so I was so attached to my short that I didn't
Yes.
let it go. But I know that I should have. But for some reason, I just and that was my original buy here. That was a perfect buy, and
Of course, yeah, it is.
I don't know why I chickened out. It just went against me, just 1.5 points. That's like nothing. And I would like to get in long now. But here to Nasdaq, I would like to take that short too from the line, just for a couple of points.
Um, just asking, do you typically trade both at the same time, ES and NQ? Laura, this is up to you. You can trade whatever you want, like ES, NQ, that's totally up to you. He's asking you, Demonkos, this question. Do
Yeah.
you typically trade both at the same time, ES and MNQ?
Yeah, you could, but I mean, the best would be if you just take the setup, nothing else. And for example, now we had nothing on ES, and I just took it. I took the nothing. That's the FOMO trade. I'm just looking at ES and Nasdaq, but on Nasdaq we had a setup here, and from this line I could have gone to this line, 20 points, and then here I went short. Then I chickened out again so soon. Look, I mean, from this line, it should go to this trigger point, 45 area. I chickened out. And on ES, that was my only setup with VWAP and trigger point, going long. And then for some reason, after that, I went short. And it's so, and after that, I couldn't let it go. It's so difficult when I'm convinced that that the price is going to go down. To let it go, it's very difficult. So I suggest you just focus on one market, and it doesn't really matter which market. I'm just looking at these four, but and I should just take the one where I have a setup or where I have some kind of reaction from the line.
Question for you, Demonkos, from Ghost. He says, do Apex ever complain about your RR if you use that is?
No, never. I'm what you can see here. It's not so good. That's right. But I'm always watching that. I never risk. I mean, the rule is if you want to risk 100, then I mean, if you want to take profit of $100, you cannot risk more than 500, and that's 1 to 5. I'm always watching it, and usually I never had any problems so far. Actually, right now, this O5 area, I would like to go long on ES. Nasdaq is short, and ES conflicting. It's not the same. Okay, I just relax. That's true that my risk reward is not the best. It's not good at all. I'm paying attention to not to do 1 to 5 or less, but it should be the other way around. And you're absolutely right about that. And for example, when I got in short here, this one, and I was planning to go another short with this, I mean, it's just 10 points. I should have kept my short till at least 10 points or 20. And it around very nicely. Good that I didn't go long. Only yes. I had the feeling that I would like to go long again. Displays Nasdaq. You jumped in my stop automatically. Okay, so that's good. I should have kept it even more. But if you take a look at this, I got in at, that's why I like trigger point. I got in at 45 and my drawdown was less than 2 points in Nasdaq. And I got out with 7 points and I could have made, and my original target is 10 points usually. That's what I go for. Yeah. So that was like a normal good trade. 7, 10 points to me should have been good. Oh yes, it's coming back. See now, this is the time when I would be almost at break even. 700 area. Q is trying to go up. But yes, it's not. 700 is tricky. It was a good swing. August kicked in. Yeah, swing came back to the 50%. Now we broke it. We went down. Yeah, it's August 50%, 50 and 61.8% retracement. I'm sure it's not humankind who is doing that. These are the algos doing this. 700 area. Market is choppy. Strange. I didn't look at it, but that's true. So actually, if the range is so tight, we might not be trading. I believe that we would go up a little. Nasdaq is going. Let's see. Let's see if we get an entry or not. Getting back to 47.
Because Rob is asking you, do you care about the right range that we are staying in?
I'm not. I don't, but that's right. But I believe that we should go up.
Mm.
That would have been a great trade, and I had a short here. Just
Yeah, I guess the price is gonna get down to 25 at Nasdaq to 27 at ES. 25, yes.
could be.
Yeah.
I would buy another one if we get down to
Mm.
that. And we just jump back to the trigger
Yes.
point, to the tick. Look at that.
Yeah.
So strange. 700. Russell is not respecting the lines. That's the other interesting stuff.
No, it's respecting it. Why not?
Because it just sometimes it go under it and then go over it, do nothing. Let's see how far we would jump. 704.
In Q or ES?
And Q, oh, it just jumped up a couple points. We didn't take it. And then we're going down. I would like to buy another one
At 25, yes.
at 25.
Yes.
Okay, try at 25. I like trigger points better or the VLAB, but let's see. Let's see. Oh, that was interesting. 26.75. 26.75. That was interesting. What that means to me. that we
It's
might
saying, but look
probably
at YM and RTY price was on each side or the line. So I guess they was not correlated when you get in. Yes, you are right, Nikki.
Order filled.
somebody else order filled.
That's me, yes.
Oh, that's you. Okay, so we are doing
Yes.
this together now.
Yeah.
Good. And your target is
For ES, my target is 706 and my stop loss are 3 points.
just 3 points, not more.
No, that's my
That's,
stop loss.
that's good. That's good. Came back to VWAP 95.50. Interesting. That's the same low as we had before. And we had another low at 93. Nasdaq, we did the same before. Yes, it's coming close to the line. Very close. Oh, where is my? I don't like when it misses my take profit.
Filled.
Oh,
Oh, there is news now?
if no, we forgot that. That's not good.
No, I got skipped out with $90 because of this fast move. So I got slippage backwards. So instead of getting a loss of 3 points, I got loss of 2 points.
No, that's good. Okay, guys, I just messed up my account, so I'm gonna stop trading it. Oh, what happened on Nasdaq? Yeah, it just went down.
The
Yeah,
market.
this was a great entry.
Yeah.
And now we have a CTP signal, so it might be a stop for a couple of points. Okay, today was not a great for me, and I just don't understand why I couldn't. My trades go.
$1,000 drawdown. That's a lot.
It all the way. Yeah, sometimes I do that. And today you could see that for some reason I couldn't use my stop. I don't know why.
Okay, that's good. He says he's up 158 now. So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, green is green, even if it's $1. Now we have NQ at line. We have YM at line. That's why we see this rebounds.
Yeah, the CTP signal is good
Yes.
on this line. Another CTP. So another interesting that we got a CTP signal here on the line. Stay also order.
Guys, can you see my screen?
No, working.
The
No,
market conditions are not easy.
not easy at all. I just messed
No, no,
up my accounts. Yeah.
not easy. Uh, they are all at support. NQ is in the middle. Yo, yo. How are you, iPad Pro 11-inch? I don't know what to do. They want to go high, but they want to break their support. But NQ is in the middle. Mm. You want to break?
They were
They,
going down, doctor.
yeah, I know.
This support.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
uh,
big time.
It's,
Is
it's risky.
Compute gonna get down to res 0.5.
I'm going to MNQ right now. Yeah, MNQ contract.
It's good.
Straight to the next trigger point. You have
Yeah,
CTP there too.
yeah. It's gonna be long term long.
Very long term. Very long term.
Yes, I went with micro. Um, whoa.
Things happening on the market because it's just so strange. So
Yes.
strange.
RTY wants to hit its support. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll go out probably. Okay, NQ may bounce off next support because YM.
Huge gap. Huge gap.
That's why I went with micros. I didn't feel good with this entry, especially because RTY wants to hit its support. I'll go out with a small profit probably, or I'll chicken out with a small profit, whatever you call it. I am. Please be nice to me. Trader's life is not easy, Domonkosh.
Not easy at all.
Not easy.
Not easy, I would say. I
It's
just
RTY. RTY is the troublemaker because it wants to hit its magnet, and that's why go with it. Mustafa, push the market for me.
After 1 minute, exactly. After 1 minute, it's gonna go up.
It's gonna
Okay,
go up.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
New candle.
New candle.
If it was minis, I was very stressed.
Okay.
RTY, you are a big troublemaker. Yes,
You
yes,
can go a
yeah.
little.
Where the Mongo, Mustafa? You
Yeah,
want to
no, a
go?
break even. Make it at a break even, okay? And
No,
let's
no, I don't
yeah,
want.
when it's 45, for example.
No, it's gonna be the low of the day. I won't chicken out like the Monkosh.
No, this is not the low of the day yet.
You think?
Yes.
Okay. I chickened.
You are chicken when you are green, so that's not chicken.
It's gonna go up higher. I know.
A little, yes.
Yeah, my problem is that RTY wants to hit
Exactly,
its
yes.
magnet, but it's a high distance for it. It may hit this support in
Oh, see, yeah,
a few hours.
3 points.
I chickened out because of you, Mustafa. You take the
Okay, you chicken out
responsibility.
when you are green, okay? It's better than you lose the trade.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, we have a big, huge candle, so that might be continuation for this short.
No, I don't think so.
I think so. So
Let's
let's
see.
see.
No, no, it was the low of the day. Mm,
That's based on the ATR or based on what?
Based on my emotions.
Okay.
No, no ATR.
Based
Fair
on your
enough.
trade, but you're in.
No, no, I chickened out. No, no positions. Conditions are not easy.
For me, I don't see any price action map yet. So the day is
The low of the day will be when RTY hits its support. YM will hit its support here, and Q and ES will make a false breakdown. Maybe. Okay. And this is, if this is not the low of the day, what I told you will be the low of the day. A small breakdown of ES and NQ will be the low of the day if this is not the low of the day.
no, the low of the day was 20,081 price. Okay.
No, okay, yeah. I mean, at least in a couple of hours, I can't see they hit this level, but they may uh, false breakdown because RTY wants to hit its support and YM, and maybe not. Maybe it is the low of at least 4 hours or something like this.
Okay. According to what I see now, to the you were right about this. Okay, we are almost at 80% of the daily ATR.
Okay. Yeah, really?
Yeah,
How
that's why you
come?
said.
Oh,
That's why you said this could be the low of the day.
uh, okay. 80%, are you sure? Because we are in the middle between res zero and sub zero.
No, I'm talking from the low of the day to the high of the day, not the previous days. Okay. So we went from
Oh, okay.
2081, okay,
Okay. Yeah.
to 288. Then we have a huge drop to
Mhm.
100. So there was only like 20 points left to reach the low of the day. Sorry, 40 points.
For yes.
No, I'm talking about NQ,
Oh,
the
okay.
trading.
Okay. So this is the first breakdown, not false, but no, maybe it won't hit this level. I don't think so. Maybe,
I'm saying
but
this
they may.
because there is a huge momentum to the downside. It's happened in one candle.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Maybe
Yeah.
these are all guessing. We don't really know. This false breakdown might be due to YMRTY. They want to hit their magnet. So I wouldn't go short on NQ and ES right now because they may get back up. Okay, it's risky until RTY hits its support. I wouldn't go short. Patience.
Close to the trigger point.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. RTY is the troublemaker today.
There are many days like that.
That RTY is the troublemaker. Yeah, it
Yeah.
makes ES and NQ false break to the downside. Also YM a little. It could have been a great short trade here, but RTY is here. It's risky for me right now.
With 81. Yes. Thank you. Now we have a continuation to the downside.
Let's see what
Yeah.
RTY is doing.
It's so hard to hold trades so long. They say this. Yeah, it's part of the job, man.
Yeah. When RTY breaks its support, you will see a huge momentum to the downside. Right now, it's not breaking. That's why it's risky to go short for me. But if it breaks, it will be a good short trade.
You wanted to break the IB. What is IB?
Initial balance.
Okay.
At this point, since RTY's movement is not clear to me, I'm waiting for NQ and ES to retest their resistance, and then it can be a good short opportunity. Okay, but not yet. Again, for me, I'm afraid of RTY right now.
You have another candle, the current candle. Okay, it's still moving down, so it's gonna keep going down.
Yeah, but I don't want to FOMO.
No, no,
I know.
no need.
Yeah, I'm not entering here. They
Yes,
may. Yeah,
let's
not
stick to
entering
the
it.
lines.
Yeah, yeah. So it's too late. That's fine. No trades, no loses. I know that if I FOMO here, let me try, okay, with a SIM account. Let me FOMO and see how it goes.
I believe that it's the first time that I get out with break-even stop.
You are in trade, Demonkos?
I'm always in a trade.
I'm in a trade on a SIM account. I'm gonna be a millionaire on my SIM account. Okay, I FOMO'd. And let's see, what do you think, guys? In my FOMO trade, will my target get hit or the stop loss?
No, it's not gonna get it. The stop loss is gonna
The
hit.
stop loss. So you need to help me get the money back on my SIM account, guys. You did a great job recently. Okay, this is to demonstrate you what happens when you FOMO.
But just got mad at this market. That was the first time I went short, and the break-even stop got me out.
Oh, you FOMO. This is your
Yeah,
solution?
yeah, that's
This
what I'm
is how
doing
you
right
fight
now.
against the market?
Yeah, because I'm mad.
You know, because you're
Mad
mad.
at the market
Okay.
right now.
All right,
Okay,
yes.
so you leverage your FOMOing and tell
Yes.
me when your account is blown.
One of my account is already blown.
PA?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry.
that's okay. I got mad
Yeah,
and I just
my stop loss is about to get hit.
Yeah. Place limit order at res 05 short. Let's
Now?
yeah, it's gonna go up and get down again.
No, it's gonna get up. I don't know.
Let's see. Sim
I
account.
don't want to blow my SIM account. RTY didn't break its support. Okay.
No, RTY didn't make a new lower low, or does it make it? Can you get a little down? Let me see.
If I'm in a SIM account, why do I trade micro at least?
yeah, at least
To enjoy to
pay the
enjoy my
bill.
trades.
Yeah, exactly.
No one trades micros on a SIM account. No, I need the $30 back, guys. Help me. I'm gonna FOMO when RTY breaks its intra support on my SIM account, guys. Okay. RTY is the troublemaker, avoiding ES and RTY to catch the momentum to the downside. This is RTY that, okay, guys? That's why I didn't go short here. I was afraid. Gosh, the last days our audience helped me recover from my
Oh,
loss.
good.
Yeah. RTY, you need to break RTY. Now would be interesting. Um, short.
Some short sell limits from the trigger point.
Yeah, me too.
Let's
On
see what happens
with
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 that.
minis on a SIM card. I'm not sure I would do it uh with mini on my PA. Mhm. I believe my profit target will be YM's support. Right? YM support is somewhere here. Let's see, we need to monitor. I'll get out when YM hits its support again. Okay. So put it here and see. YM, tell me, where are you going? Come on, come on, YM.
What do you expect from YM?
I'm going to take my profit at YM's support. So I'm waiting for YM to hit its support.
And the
Okay.
trigger point is already hit.
Okay. I'm
It's
out.
breaking it.
I
Breaking it.
recovered. I recovered my stop. My exit was good, no, Mustafa? What do you think about me, Mustafa? Give me some compliments.
You did well. The YM is under the trigger point, so it
Yeah,
might be further.
you're already doing well, doctor.
I'm
Uh,
out. I don't
it,
care.
yes.
No, it's a first break. I went out. I think
You mean
at
for this
an
one?
ideal. Yeah, yeah. My exit was perfect, and my entry was perfect. Also, guys, clap your hands for me, please.
Okay, and good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. We have here is Zeev,
Clap, clap.
Zav. Okay, Zav Bar L. I don't know who.
Zev Barel.
Zav Bar L.
Hello,
Okay.
Zev. Welcome.
He said, okay, cause the drop. I don't know, personally, and I don't care.
Yeah, as day traders, we don't care.
Exactly, yes. I'm reacting to what I see. That's it.
Thank you for clapping your hands for me, guys. Thank you very much.
And
Mustafa, you're right. I'm the greatest trader. No, no, I'm kidding, guys. The Monkosh is better than me. The Monkosh,
But not today. No, no, today
it's
not.
better than us, yes.
Today I'm just mad at the market.
I told you guys, this was a first breakdown. RTY is the troublemaker. It just wanted to hit its support zone. NQ and ES didn't really want to break to the downside. They had to because of RTY.
There's such a big place under it. Huge empty space
Yeah,
here.
the next run will be huge. All the instruments. You
What
see,
direction? I
to the,
don't care. I'm done
yeah,
for the
to the
day.
downside.
But
I
also, yeah,
Yeah.
there's so many empty
I
spaces.
placed, yeah, I placed my short order at 2,200.
okay, guys. These were false breakdown that you could anticipate. I mean, NQ made a huge move
Because it's very volatile.
because it's very volatile, but they didn't want to break this support. Okay, they had to because of RTY, and it's risky for me because I don't really know where RTY is going to bounce back exactly. Okay, I could see the area, so that's why I didn't go short. Welcome, trading. You're welcome. I hope you learn from our live sessions, guys. We try to show you how we view the market, how we avoid bad entries.
It's not me today. Today I've been so mad at the market and I just blew up my account and I'm gonna blow up the next one.
No, why? Let
No, no,
And
no, Domonkos, please move to micros, recover slowly. We blow our accounts because we are mad, not
yeah,
because we make a mistake in our trading or analysis. We're mad, so we FOMO, we enter everywhere,
that's what
we
I'm talking about.
leverage with
Yeah,
minis. I know, Domonkos. I
yeah.
also blew accounts. Yeah, I know. Guys, you don't believe I blew accounts. and due to FOMOing and mistakes that I was mad. Okay. But now
Believe
with CTP,
the same.
yeah, with CTP, I feel confident that it will give me good opportunities next time. Okay, so this keeps me out of FOMOing and getting mad. This is why this method is so powerful. Yeah. I mean,
And you cannot
I'm
be
confident that I can recover and CTP will give me these opportunities, so I don't need to get mad at the market.
6 time now that I was in a trade and I got break even and I got out and it was just one tick that my take profit didn't hit.
Okay. Let's say that your statistics probability today is right about 20%. You still have 4 times to go.
I see nothing right now, guys. I can tell you that the zone here is a danger zone. Okay, no trades here because NQ will break up and down and up and down. No
Yeah,
trades in this danger
absolutely.
zone. Yeah,
Place my short order at res 2, day 2, which is 20,199 something or 95 something. Because these sellers, they need to collect their profit at least. Price on ES just went up, hit res 0, number 5, day 5, and just get down again.
It was a very nice CTP short signal.
I'm afraid of 41. Maybe I don't. Yeah, no, I'm not afraid of it. But it's a danger zone anyway on NQ, so it doesn't really matter. Now maybe when RTY hits its resistance, if YM, ES, and NQ will agree, it can be a short opportunity, but you need to wait for the right line to get hit. The equivalent line for RTY's resistance. Maybe this is the line. We don't know yet. We need to wait. Might be this line or this line,
Yeah,
the
that's
equivalent.
the one I choose. Res 2, day number 2.
Uh, yeah, yeah, we need to wait and see. Maybe they don't hit, and that's fine.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yeah,
I'm not a magician. I'm just expecting something. If it happens, this is my action to it.
exactly. We don't know where the market will go, guys, but if the market hits a level and another conditions uh, are happening, it can be an A plus setup to enter trades. Okay, we don't know what the market will do.
This is the out, then I'm waiting for the retest, and then it will be a continuation.
To
I
the
use
upside?
no to the downside. So
Oh, okay.
what
Yeah.
I'm saying that we are using tight stop loss because if it's wrong, then it's wrong. Let it go.
Uh, I think this is the equivalent line for RTY. Okay. Which is
Can you see
which
what
is
is
this?
the previous line? Please.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Now you see. We have a stronger support at the price above 2035.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. I still think that these are uh equivalent lines, okay, for RTY's resistance. Oh, okay. So lucky I'm not in a trade. It's terrible.
Not moving.
Not moving because look how many policemen.
Yeah.
Thank you. I mean, this is the police, 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 police. RTY is not moving.
No,
It's at the same tick for 15 minutes. So so funny. Mustafa, I think you were right this time. NQ may respect this resistance, but this is not the equivalent resistance for YM. So you were right this time. I mean, for RTY. Guys, it's dangerous to trade now. The markets are doing nothing. You can trade on your SIM account, like me. I like the big volume.
Was it you, Mustafa? What happened in the market? Look,
Yeah,
it was you.
yeah, it's
No,
my
it
yeah,
was
it's my
me. It was me. I said that this is the resistance equivalent to RTY. It was me.
It was you.
It was me.
Okay, and you moved the market, right?
3 points in 2 minutes.
Yeah, but it was just in 1 second because the market moved and then it stopped.
Yeah.
Moved in 1 second.
Good job,
CTP
Demonte.
signal,
Very good job. Yeah, it's amazing.
CTP signal, good job, good job. And actually, this is the time when I should stop trading because I blew two of my accounts and,
No,
and
really?
I did two of my accounts more than 500. So I need to stop because I would like to get out these money, 500. And then if I make more, then I have to keep on trading. But I mean, it's 40 days. I just checked my statistics. It was 40 days, and I didn't have a like a mad day or when I just getting mad of the market. That was the first day after 40 days. So it's not that bad.
Okay, so from time to time you need to vent out. Yes, I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah,
You know, Dominguez, sometimes if I don't feel uh, confident about the way I analyze the market, I just move to a SIM account to practice.
yeah. You can do that, but I can't.
Why?
I don't have a SIM account. No SIM account
It's
on
for
my
children.
Ninja.
You think the SIM accounts are for children? So yeah,
No,
I'm a
no,
kid.
it's for children. Not at all. Just I don't have a SIM account. I haven't. I have one more evaluation account, so that's what I should have kept on trading. But it's okay. I mean, we
Look,
survive.
Demonkos, yeah, one bad day out of 40, okay. I wish I could do the same.
Yeah. Okay. And actually, on my other computer, on my TradeAway account, I just got another payout yesterday, so
That's
Oh,
good.
it's
okay.
part of that
Congratulations.
too. Yeah. Thank you. it's like when I get some money, then I start to behave like reckless or not paying attention that much. And on Apex, they have a rule that the first three payouts can be just small. And now I just arrived to the fourth one, but I still need to go 4 good days. So that's what I'm gonna have. And then I can get all the rest of my account, what I have on it.
Okay, let's do it this way, okay? Next time we trade together.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, it's
trading
very
with you.
helpful.
I
It's
like
very, very
that.
helpful.
When
Yeah.
you tell me the exact numbers, I like that.
The exact
Yeah, but
entries
but
and
but it
exits.
works.
Yeah, many
But it
times it
works.
worked. Yeah, many
Yes.
times. Yeah.
Yeah, it helps. It helps not following, especially
Exactly,
when
yes.
you demonstrate your trades. You don't make many mistakes that you do when you're alone.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. In the morning I was alone, so I made some mistakes and I lost some. And in the afternoon I just got mad at the market because probably I was late. I was late. The traffic was huge and I was not in the right mental condition. And what I saw on myself that I couldn't take my stuff. I mean, I moved my stuff. I moved it big time and I
Mhm.
didn't let market to hit my stuff, but because I moved it. But anyway, this CTP signal, that was good. This is also good. This would have also worked for me. So if
CTP is a
I,
game changer
yeah, if I
for me
don't
at
do
least.
anything else, just the CTP signals like this is a perfect one. And actually, on this, I was in a trade from here. I'm not sure if you remember this signal. I was in a trade, a short one from here. Just I get out here. And I should have kept it all the way, at least to the VWAP or to these lines.
I'm waiting for ES and YM to break, and I'll leverage my position.
Your same account position?
Yes.
For which one?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. But you're in, oh, you're in the long ones. You're going long?
No, short.
Short, okay. Because this formation to me, it looks as it wants to turn the downside and go upside.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm still holding my limit order at 200 at MQ.
200, these lines,
Yes.
that should be a good area. But I
Yeah.
mean, you're waiting for
A
that.
strong resistance.
Yeah, you're not
I'm
trading
trying to
if you're
time
waiting for that.
the second contract according to ES resistance.
So short from this trigger point at 87.25, that was a perfect entry.
That's perfect. Yes.
The entry is many times perfect because when I just enter from the trigger point, it's good usually. I mean, this entry is good. This one, just I hold it for I think for 1 point instead of 10.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. We're just gonna post my entry. This one I entered here. The Nasdaq. I entered here. That was a good entry too, and I had an even better one here. I entered here.
Yeah, this
We're
was the
gonna
perfect one. Yes.
yeah, we're gonna post this one. I entered here. And we don't talk about it, what happened next. and after it, just forget about it. Okay, guys, I don't want to blow up more accounts. Dudes too. So
The Mongols don't trade alone.
no, I'm
Trade with
gonna
us.
finish it. I'm gonna finish it for today, and especially that today is Friday, so weekend is coming. So I
You are
wish
trading on Monday, right?
on Monday, yes,
Okay, perfect.
yeah, on Monday afternoon. So see you guys Monday afternoon, and
You.
hopefully we are gonna make some money.
See you
All
then.
right, thank you very much. Take care. Bye, guys.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Chickened out again.
See what is gonna happen.
I was a big chicken.
Why?
I
What
chickened
happened?
out. I shorted here. I timed my second contract at the right timing. It's danger zone. That's why I chickened out. I have great excuses, guys. I want to go short and wait for the right timing, according to what RTY is doing. I'm going short with the 2 micros on a PA account. Just waiting because right now NQ is between support, resistance, the dangerous zone I marked before. But they want to go down. This is going to be a huge move to the downside. Let's see. I believe in this direction. I entered in a dangerous zone, so it's not going to be easy. But I believe they want to break. I hope my stop loss will not get hit until this happens. Why is the troublemaker again? Yeah, I mean, NQ wants to go down and RTY doesn't let it. I'll add another contract on YM's resistance because this is what I believe YM is trying to do to retest.
Yeah.
My third contract did not fill. Let's see. Come on, RTY, you are a big troublemaker. A huge troublemaker. I want to add another contract on a retest. Um, let's see. Oh yeah, baby. Can't handle it emotionally, guys. Sorry. Really. I'm a human. It was too hard for me. If I traded minis, it was 400.
If you we can say yes, yes, it is.
I'm okay. I'm done. Guys, do you have any questions? This is another cloud server I trade, by the way.
Jet trader is freezed and doesn't want to change anything, and when it's open, it's completely freezed. Let me get my maybe out.
Yeah. And RTY did not break its support again. Again, it was a troublemaker. I could see YM hit its resistance. ES also hit its resistance. That's why I went short. And it was a dangerous zone. That's why I went short with micros. I mean, dangerous zone, RTY is respecting its support, unsurprisingly. I went short because YM and ES hit their resistance, but I took my position out, I think, at the right timing. Okay, guys, I think we're done. If you don't have any more questions, then I'll tell you have a great weekend.
Good after. Have a great weekend, everyone.